welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is out and she's talking. She said that she's not jealous of anyone and that she is trying to do a good work and she's been playing for it. She's talking about the help that she's helping this young lady with her four kids, with her pets and, different stuff to ensure that she has a better life. Marcia says that, she's been going above and beyond for this lady, trying to, get some work in so that she'll be able to help her with the situation that she's having. However, other people are blaming her, and that is not right. So you have to go ahead and go catch the video and hear what Marcia has to say. Remember to like, share, comment to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating that wonderful birthday today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies and followers and friends, subscribers, whatever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Who do you think you're talking to? Not me. Go talk to no blood clot mama. I wanna poop, I wanna hungry belly pitney them. We are suffer. Wanna need for go look blessing for yourself and leave Marcia alone. But me did worry about Planka. Planka have money. Planka don't have no pussy clot money. Planka want money like a rice grain. That's why she run come at Jamaica, come get it two little change. Right now she get the fucking little 1,500 from the bishop. That now go towards the ticket yet. She go keep that for her ass clot self. And then she use the money then where she sell for the other rest or something. Them. She well want money. That's why she left America and come down to Jamaica, come sit down off in the veranda. They come use Siloni and other people and make live and make sentences so she can get views. Just like what I had predicted. That she have to go back for her whole people and Siloni just forget back her page. Move on a dirty pussy clot from here. The body not jealous on a plank or nothing. And she no blood clot look better than me, neither no. Ben I ask you. I mean, I should not have nothing where me want. Where me used to have, and when me used to drive in, and when me left on a driving and done with a Jamaica where she have a driving now. Don't worry on yourself. Next year, when I see me push out na my blood clot new vehicle, me not ask you. Don't worry. Move on yourself from yourself. I go and disappear for this blood clot here. Me can't get no fucking contents. Watch me, I wanna wait until me wait. Supporters just wait. Cause if them things say me have to come here, and make a video, The only reason I come here, I come make a video, cause I want to annoy them bumbo clot, Me want to show them something afraid of them. But let me tell on a big pussy girl out here. Let me tell you now, una little hopping up cemetery blood clot old girl. Me no need nothing from uno. And Planka can't walk in my blood clot shoes, no day at all. And she not have no bumbo clot money as you think she is. She not have it. It done out in the house. And if your parent in Florida and whatever it is. That's why she pussy clot come and keep $150 food near me. Like say a Christmas and blood clot holiday and Thanksgiving. Where America so ass hard. Say Florida they lit down with hurricane and all kind of same thing they know. Well, I'll do them the people and whatever Jamaican. But everybody knows that enough of them we are going to pay. Of course, we don't blame the boy who come on social media and talk about fucking food and sell for $150. In a hard time like this. The food should not sell for no more than $70. No blood clot food not sell for them up a bickle. Unless she keep a place now a rascal palace. Everybody want come use people because they want money for go buy a house. So me not blame the boy of Florida if he come talk say something I sell. No for uno a bumbo clock contents and all look. Uno come for me. Come for me now. All of uno dirty blagger big and small come for me. Money she look for go buy a house. But I left her to the blood clot hurricane of Florida fish up your show off on people and don't want come here come suck salt grain little bit and wait little bit and humble blood clot self. And me and Tina other people she want come pop style pan and things here so house stay. House come with a lot of responsibility. House come with a lot of responsibility. It don't come with show-offness. It don't come with show-offness. And we are living in perilous time. You see the war we are going? I don't care. As long as me have a roof on my bed to sleep and I don't care. You see all them are cost me say me live in an empty house. Suppose them say which part me there. Suppose them say which part I am and what the circumstances is. Suppose them say which part me there. Suppose them say which part me there. And them a chat for people years old. And my business, you know, want hear, you never hear my business, but let me tell you something. If me did broke one time, Marcia no blood clot broke no more. Me can see my way out. Better than uno. Comfortable than uno. Alright. More than uno nasty pussy clot. So if I make uno out there worry about, uno is a blood clot idiot. Uno is the biggest pussy clot fool. If I may una worry about. If I may una, if I make I give uno blood clot sleepless night and night time, uno in for a ride. Uno in for a ride. Because uno shouldn't worry about me, shouldn't worry about no ass clot self. Because let me tell you something. Marcia Campbell is what you call blessing. Blessing. Uno mash up my business. Tell people don't buy no shit from me. But through it all, God still bless me same way. How much more? You people call me ugly. Call me all kind of names. Discrimination. Put me down. All these years. And I'm living better than uno. All these years. It's not working. The amount of name calling when call me. The amount of put down when put me down. But still I rise. Still God continue to bless me. And uno not get no blessing. Uno still sit down same place on social media talking about me. And my name is so big, it give one of the biggest views. If one don't call my name, one don't get no views. Uno is the cursed one, and I am the blessed one. So, when it comes to reality, Uno are the laughing stock. Let me come off of this phone. When time when I cover the receipt, when I cover the receipt, come show me. So when I donate over $3,000 for the past few days, you can't go talk to me. Otherwise, don't talk to me. Otherwise, go sit on a nasty pussy blood clot self down and don't talk to me. If you can't show nothing that you have donated to charity and bless others to put food on their table and bed to sleep on, don't talk to me. Carol, laugh off of them. If Uno can, if you are the Planka boss, can show me where she has given out over $3,000 since this week, come talk to me. Come show me. Come talk to me. If you can't do that, don't talk to me. If you and your Planka boss, she not trouble me, but I will not call up her name in every video. If you can show me, because I want to say she rich and me poor, I mean I have nothing. If she can come show me where she have given that amount of money since today, because today alone I sent out over $2,000. So if you can show me that, plus according to the $1,000 exceeded already to what me giving out to people, because I have to send money to whatever. So the $1,000 today after the $200 exceed almost about $100 had left. That exceed over that. So they are the rest of money now. So if you people can show me where you have sent that out, just today alone, $2,000 were sent out. Just today alone. And that ain't no bill. That alone was sent out. If you can show me that, come talk to me. Otherwise, go suck on the blood clot, mama. So between today and the past few days now, It's over $3,000. Come talk to me. Come talk to me. And that ain't enough, and that ain't no rascal lie. So if you people can show me a receipt, come dash it out and let me dash out mine. Because as soon as I finish on my laptop, me make sure say me not make a mistake again. Cross out the name them and come challenge me. Come with the receipt and me come with mine. Not me who not talk to. Go on about my business, let Marcia alone. You know what? I think I should come off of this blood clot for a month. I think I should come off of this for a month. And when I come back, I shall look like a Michael Jackson. I think I should come off for a month and go dip in one bucket of bleaching cream, get my breasts done, my body done and everything done, and get some all kind of big long hair catching on a body and come on with a Gucci bag. And I wonder what them not do, Rockstar. I wonder what them not do. I think so, you know. How long it take to heal up? I think I might go do one body, you know, and a belly. No, but like when I dip on the arms, it's Ozempic. No, I don't know it won't cause a problem. But I want to make sure I go do one body. Me should go do one breast and one body, you know, and get one long hair catch me on my ground, you know. I think so, you know. Yes, my dear. I think I should get some Botox and everything. No, I don't need no Botox, but I mean, I want them, should I get that? I think so, you know. But it will be a shame. People out there suffer too much to go pay me for money to go get all of my sort or something. I ain't no pain right now. I ain't no pain right now. Can't take a pain right now. I would have trouble. Uh-huh. Go on about no business. Go on about no business. Uno dirty blood clot underprivileged people. Go on about no business. Uno ready out here. Uno not ready. Me go use the bathroom and come back. Me go bathe, put on my night clothes, brush my teeth, wash my face again. I love using that something and me come back. But let me tell you something, members only. And to the people who like Marcia. Wait on the Lord and be of good courage. Whatever is going on in my life at the present moment, it is nobody but the blood of Jesus. And let me tell you something. Have faith and be patient. Sometimes it's not going to be an easy road. But when God bless you, He's going to come double, triple, and quadruplet. Don't be amazed and don't underestimate yourself what God can do for you. And make sure that when God is doing something for you, it don't matter what little you have, you must bless others from your heart and not to get these fame and this highlight that these people out here bless people. Sow a seed in somebody's life. The holidays coming, cook something for somebody. Share with a neighbor, knock on their door and said, I know I haven't spoken to you in a long time, in years. They haven't invited you. But if you're not going anywhere, please come to my house. Continue to do good from the bottom of your heart and let God work in favor for you. But I'm letting you people know where I am in my life right now, God has been good to me. And that is one of the reasons why I don't have no problem blessing others. But I bless people in the time that I want to bless people and what my spirit said to bless people. I said I was going to buy all these things for this young lady. But guess what? I also stated that they must buy me sheet. Them never come buy the sheet for $1,000 worth of sheet. So what we want to do? Go into my personal bank account where God bless me with. If you come give out $1,000 to somebody, you're going to tell me, say me take up and advocating for a stranger and I'm going to buy 2 beds for her, packing up her fridge with things to sell. I'm getting blamed and calling me scammer and thief with my own money. Me packing my own barrel from out of my storage with my merchandise, said I was going to give her, reaching out to all my friends to buy things for her children. And some they're coming out of social media cursing me. Me must send the barrel now. And me must do this and me for do that. Me not have my family them. Me not have only nieces and nephew at Jamaica, although them big. Them no want sneakers too. Me not could have call the girl, call my friend and say, listen, buy some sneakers to my nieces and nephew them too. My friend, where me ask for do certain things, she da Atlanta right now, as a pack school bag for next year, a 100 hard bag she reaching out with her own money, Big up to Freddie, And say Freddie said to me, say, Marcia, you may get inspiration from enough to do this charity work, I remember say, Freddie has send money and laptop and tablets to Tivoli every year, money, for children, And them Tivoli Garden children can in summer come in July. She's going to be giving away over 1,000 back to Jamaica, And I'm going to be right there with her. And I'm going to be sending donation to her too. Me I could bless Freddie to buy some back too. Right now she collect over 100, no collect, she buy it and I pay brand name. Pay Nike and all them sort of something. They nub everything. And she's giving away tablet and laptop. Me tell her, say, give her the laptop them in a find out in the neighborhood which student is doing the best in work. Go to their school and find out who deserve it. You can't give a computer and them laptop to people with children when I do good. You have to give away those things. She's going to raffle must it two big laptop and sit, Me tell her, if you go look for, I told her, go and find out which one of the students them doing good in school, and them forget it. You can't give them the big gift to people it costs so much thousands of dollars. And she when she showed me the pile with her own money, because she have a big good up job. Let me tell you something. None of you can't tell me what to do with my money. And after me done by the bed for her, I'm done. Nobody can get no more from me. The only somebody me tell us I'm going to merge with is the angel. Big up to the angel. The only charity that I am going to be merging with is the angel. After me buy the 2-bed for her, after me send her the money to buy the bed them, all phone calls, all phones are blocked. Because me don't want nobody take set for me, and me don't want no problems. I me not care when nobody wants to say, I done me done. After me take my hard working money, and I send go buy those 2 beds and pack up her fridge to go sell what she need to sell. And it she say she want it, she ask for And me go vulge, As she said me, as she asked me for your money for send to go back to school, She never asked me for nothing, people. All she asked me for, Marcia, can I get some help to send my kids them back to school and me help her? And me said to her, I said, what about if me set you up with something? She said, me never want pressure you too much. Me said, what would you like? She said, one deep fridge. And me could have go sell some bag juice and some juice. She never, and when she showed me the condition of her house, that is when I come out and I start to vouch for her. And I said, you need a bed, she need a TV. And me come up with them something, She only asked me for help her with her kids and to go back to school, And me come out now, and ask for the things them for her, Because when she showed me the videotape in her office, she said she want those things, And me suggest to her, I said, what about if you, what would you do? Would you like to help with something, to sell something? She said, yes, Miss Marcia, but me never want to pressure you. I would like to sell some bag juice and some juice. Me say, all right, go check out the fridge and tell me what it is. But after she showed me the circumstances in her house, me say, no, you need a bed, you need this, and me come out now. No, me I get blamed for the good work. Or no kiss out the last part of me mama pussy clot. Me done. Me finish. Me not keep on doing this and I get blamed. Me not keep on doing this and getting blamed for doing good work. I see him the other day, me go King's Chapel Ministry, and me good heart itself say me I go collect some money to give back to the church. And me collect over $200, and me put the other one make 300. Must it 180 something, and me collect, me sell me goods them and put pan it. The people in cost me say me a thief church money. Me with my good heart itself. That is the reason why me in a position I mean, the collection I collect for